Good morning, everyone. How are you doing today? So again, this is going to be the 13-week summary of one rental at a time. Again, let's remember, goals are important. I share these goals with you really for two reasons. One, I want to hold myself accountable. I have plans, I have goals. I'm still trying to grow our business. I'm trying to help people. I'm trying to impact lives. So I wanted to share with you what's going on in my world. And I do that every Sunday on purpose, good and the bad. So those are important. But more importantly, I'm hopefully trying to inspire you to break down your goals into parts and then track them as appropriate. This is going to be the review of the entire 13-week period. If you don't know, I started doing these weekly December 1st, and we've done them every week. We are just about to enter our fourth 13-week period together. So let me bring it up, and we will talk about the 13-week period in total. So here we go. We are going to, again, each section is an important part of my life. I share it all with you on purpose because I'm trying to lead by example. So the first portion, and it likely will be the first portion for the rest of my life, is health. I am certainly trying to take care of myself so I can keep this thing going. And really, I broke it down into physical activity, consumption of calories, and then a little bonus thing. And as you can see, over the 13-week period, I was really good on the physical activity until I injured myself in early part of week 13. The physical consumption of calories just wasn't important. So it didn't happen. Started off with the good intentions. I tried to make it a driver like the first 13-week period, which you can go back and look at. But I don't say it like it is. This health crisis, this staying at home, all this stuff going on around us, it is getting to me, and it's very frustrating if you don't. Very frustrating. The extra sit-ups are 5 minutes of planks. It started off again well-intentioned. But quickly boiled down into, I don't want to get up, right? I usually work out in the morning. The extra sit-ups were in the evening, and it just became very easy to excuse myself from doing them. So it didn't happen. Shame on me. As for growing the brand, I am trying to help one rental at a time grow because I believe it is life-changing. One rental at a time for me is the path to a better financial future. I don't promise financial freedom for anyone. It takes time, right? People want quick fixes, but one rental at a time is definitely a way to a better financial future. Even if you only get one, your future is brighter when you follow one rental at a time. Conservatively financed, you bought a good or great deal. It's just all I talk about. And it should lead to a better future. And if you get one, you can get four. And if you can get four, you can get 10. And then we go on from there. So the YouTube views, we ticked over 21,000 this week. So thank you very much. The channel is growing. I thank each and every one of you for that. If you can help me grow, that would be great. Tell your friends, tell your Facebook groups. If you don't mind, if you like one of the videos you see, if you can share it on Facebook, that would be wonderful. Share it in Facebook groups. That would be wonderful. Thank you. Podcast listens really spiked. Again, I create no original content for this. I just have someone who takes all the video files, strips out the video, and posts the audio every Saturday. And that's because a lot of people tell me they'd rather listen than see. So I pay someone out of my pocket to do that. So pretty cool. Subscribers, we started this period just over 7,000, and we're ending over 9,000. That's 2,000 new subscribers. That is, I don't know, amazing. I certainly owe Spencer a ton. He helped that week 6 number, 619 new subscribers was all because of Spencer Cornelia, who does this Guru or Not video series. And he had some very nice things to say, which I appreciate. Definitely helped the channel. And yeah, we hit our goal. What is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 weeks. We hit our goal. We actually grew. We actually exceeded our total goal of 1950 by about 123 people. So pretty amazing. Instagram finally is taking off. Instagram, if you go back and look at the other two 13-week periods, was definitely lagging. I'm doing some Instagram reels here a couple times a week about the channel, so maybe that's happening. Saying stuff in 15 seconds is tough, especially for a wordy guy like me. As for the business, adding more rentals and flipping, terrible 13 weeks, terrible. But it's also good. So hear what I'm saying. This 13-week period has been nothing but terrible because I didn't buy any deals. Well, didn't buy many deals. I think we got 2. But that's good because, again, I know my market and I don't want to overpay. I hope people are hearing me. In my course, what you're learning today is you're learning your market and you're learning that owner occupants are overpaying for clean stuff. That's good. I am saving you from making a bad deal. If you are thinking about investing and you're willing to overpay by 5 to 10 grand, you need to take my course because you need to understand what a good or great deal is. If you overpay, you can take a good deal and make it bad. Don't do this. This will turn. It may turn next quarter, the quarter after, but it will turn. As for marketing, again, investing in people at the hub. I have an office in Fresno, which I need to leverage more. But yes, it is growing. I need to put some marketing behind it. I need to sit with Adam and Stratton and those guys and figure out where we are going with this. As for increasing cash flow, again, my goal was to increase cash flow by $1,000. We did 2,000. Just so you know, I look at increasing cash flow 3 ways. 1, I can pay off debt. 2, I can raise rents in the portfolio. And 3, I can buy more units. This period was all about paying off debt. We did not raise rents on anyone. It's not the time to do that. That's not cool. Landlords who are raising rent today, shame on you. Let's get through this thing before we do something like that. But again, we paid off debt and we didn't add any rentals this period. We also didn't sell anything. We've only sold 1 flip this whole 13-week period. Part of that was on purpose. We kind of shut down the exit because we wanted to see where the environment would go. And then finally, we had some stuff that was finished and we have 1 buyer who wants 3. So I held everything that was in the pipeline for them, and we should see. They're going to let us know tomorrow or the next day if they want all 3. If not, we'll sell them to someone else because they are great properties. 2 are in the tower and 1 is in Madera. And then again, we only bought 2 this period that we're working on right now. Spent $400, basically workout equipment earlier. Didn't do anything special. Man, what a horrible 13-week period. I want to do 7 unique things that create memories, and we did 4. That's not cool. I need to do that. I need to do better. We didn't work all this time just to do nothing. So shame on me. Created lots of content for you all on the channel. We hit 4 hours at least every week, which is cool. But I got too granular. A lot of the next row 33 through row 38, I broke it down too much. I tried to thread the needle on things to create, and that's not how my mind works. I bounce around a lot. Like one of the things I've just picked up recently on YouTube is I'm trying to get better. So I'm looking at other larger YouTube channels and figuring out what they're doing and seeing if I can learn anything. So, that was no idea 4 weeks ago, let alone 13 weeks ago. So sometimes you put out goals with the best intentions and they're just wrong. And certainly row 34 through 38, just wrong, just dumb. It's not how my brain works. I should have known better. I am happy to say we got on 21 podcasts during the period. Love to see that grow. Love to see that grow. Selling of the book, right? This paperback Kindle version on Amazon. 800 books in 13 weeks. It's okay. I was looking for 1,300, so we missed. Don't talk about it a lot. Don't do any marketing. We're being recommended by more and more folks. That's kind of cool. But yeah, we missed that mark. We did sell. Oh, we did have 72 5-star reviews. So thank you. A couple of weeks were slow, but when you look at the entire 13-week journey, the fact that 72 of you left a 5-star review means a lot. Everything I do is basically for free. So, taking a minute to write that, it means a lot to me. As for audiobooks, we sold over 500. I'm certainly glad we took the time and the expense to do that. We didn't quite hit the goal of 650, but we sold 500. So that's pretty cool. When you add 856 and 500, you still get 1,300, 1,300 and what is that? 64 books. That's pretty cool. As for Audible reviews, that was a big miss. We didn't even get 50%. We only got 31 Audible reviews. We've done 1,200 audiobooks, but only 84 reviews. So yeah, I need to do some work there. We sold it, or we had 148 students sign up for the free course, which is cool. Again, it's a couple hours. It's who I am, what I do, all of that. So it's free, right? What do you want? But we've only had 66 people signed up for the paid course. Some of that's obviously, I don't know what that is. It's obviously because I don't market. I'm very proud of it. The reviews have been outstanding. But yeah, I own that. Not good. Not helping enough people. Didn't write. I had all the intentions in the world of writing another book. Writing is so hard for me. Basically shut that down after week, I don't know, 5 or 6. We sold some t-shirts, really the hat. I get asked about the hat a lot. I'm glad we created it. Look below the description. There's a link to the hats and other one rental at a time stuff. It looks like a shirt or two went on discontinued. So I need to go in and figure that all out. As a one-man show, I'm not very good at updating that stuff, but the hat is available. Comes in 3 colors. Go get it. Support one rental at a time. And then we just gave away $3,000. We actually gave away $4,000. I'm probably most proud of that. What happened earlier in the period. We did the summer book report challenge, and I think I have them somewhere. Yeah, I have a big pile of book reports about that thick. And we sent out, I think, just over $1,000 to students or kids really. I think the youngest was 6, might have been 8. But that was pretty cool. And then again, we just gave away $3,000 in free rent or past rent to folks that needed a help. And they were greatly appreciative of that. So in the end, when I think about the last 13 weeks, I guess a couple of things struck me. First off, the 13 weeks was tough to buy good deals. I tried, but the market's crazy right now. And when the market's crazy, I'm okay not doing a deal. Some of you have the money, have the liquidity, feel like you have to do the first move. I don't think that way. I know my market. I've seen markets change. So we only did 2. We didn't sell anything. Well, that's good because we don't need to. Everything cash flows. We have one buyer who has purchased 1 pride of ownership from us before who said, I want 3, but can I wait till September 1st? We said, sure. Was that a mistake? I don't know. We'll see what he says September 1st. I'm guessing he's going to buy at least 2, if not all 3. And then we'll sell them to someone else. Some people who run big companies have big overhead. They'd have to sell. But we don't have overhead. So I'm really glad we made that decision. The YouTube channel, which is important to me, is growing. It's, the fact that we hit 150 the last 2 weeks was new subscribers, which is really cool. The book sales, I don't know what's good. The fact that it's still selling a couple of copies every day, pretty awesome. Makes me feel good. I guess the one disappointment I guess I have two disappointments. The first one is I'm not enjoying life enough. Right? That's those 7 special activities that I want to create memories. I think we only did 4. That's not good. That's lazy. I need to be better at that. So I need to own that. And then the other one is the course. I need to sit back and think about that. Maybe I should just be comfortable, right? I don't market. I don't do anything. It'll come when it comes. But I think there's a lot of people out there. A lot of people out there have the energy, but no focus. And my course creates focus. There's a lot of people out there that have money that are going to make a mistake. And my course helps you not make mistakes. I don't know what to do there. I'm stuck. All right. Take care, everyone. Have a wonderful day. And again, the last video about goals, I'll probably do it later, is what does the next 13 weeks look like? Thanks. Bye.